So space, according to this, the form of possible relation, not the actual. So relations. So relations between things, events. So relations between them. It's a form of a possible relation. So obviously you can relate. So that's a space. And then it goes on to say that it is, so that's the space. Then it goes on to say that it is constituted by all especially related places, but doesn't define place. The difference between space and place obviously depends on the discipline, but one way of defining it is that space is the distinction that space is more abstract. It's more like a form, obviously, and place is what provides it with substance. That's one way. So we can say space is something abstract. That's what we mean by form in a way. Form doesn't have to be abstract, but if we are looking at already arranged things, then without any substantial meaning, and place it provides its substantial. Another way of defining, I think this is from geography, but we can sort of draw on it without accepting it as such. So we can say the space is the form, but place is what gives space its meaning and personality. That's another way of saying it. So for example, let me just try out a few things based on this. So space is a form of the potential or possible, the same thing, possible relationship between things, events in the world. And we said place is that this space is constituted by all especially related places. So place would be like, if for example there's a living room, for example, it's surrounded by walls. There's a sofa here, table here, there's some table here, and there's a little sofa here, there's a window here, there's a window here. So these are things, okay, in it, and so all constitute a place, and that place, so place, so this is a place, the whole thing is a place, and all especially related places constitute a space. But in a sense, that would be place. Space is something, a possible relation, so you can actually rearrange this. So the space is sort of a possibility of how things are related, and their actuality constitutes place, as well as the actual space, rather than it has an abstract possibility. That's one way of looking at it.